Elon Musk just said this about Joe Biden's new plans for Tesla. Weeks after President Joe Biden finally said the word Tesla in public, Elon Musk is still believed the president is ignoring him, yet assurance to behave if the White House ever extends an invitation. What's cooking between the superpower president and the visionary CEO of Tesla? Excited to know? Then watch this video as we are going to reveal the recent ignorance faced by Elon. And yes, ignorance brings sadness, especially if received after so much hard work. Before starting the video, let me remind you to like the video, subscribe to the channel as your one click means to us. If you are a car lover, then definitely you are a Musk fan, and this video will explain what happened with your hot favorite personality recently in his own country, the tweet fight. Let's explore the modern day fight, the fight of words, the fight of emotions. President Joe Biden recently stated in a tweet that, "I mean it when I said the future was going to be made right here in America." In another tweeted video where you can see President Biden with Mary Barra, the General Motors company chair and chief executive officer. Companies like GM and Ford are building more electric vehicles here at home than ever before. This tweet caught the attention of Tesla CEO and the Twitter user, and Musk replied with the spelling lesson. Starts with a T, ends with an A, ESL in the middle. The Biden tweet has sparked increasingly exasperated public relations from Musk, the wealthiest person who built the American connection with NASA and the military. The president again met with CEOs of other electric motor companies at the White House on January 26, 2022, again ignored Musk, but that intelligent and humble man decided to ping the president on his choices and decisions. Musk tweeted after the meeting, to which Tesla was not invited, "Biden is treating the American public like fools." He stated that further, the president is a damp sock puppet in human form. Feeling bad for Musk? Don't worry, video is bringing something good. Keep watching. Biden's love for vehicles and unionization control. Biden calls himself a car or vehicle lover. He embarrassed the electric vehicles essential for climate change in the country's economy. During meetings with the electric car company CEOs, he ignored inviting and talking about the one major U.S. car company, Tesla Inc., the world's most valuable automaker and the global brand most clearly associated with EVs. What's the reason behind it? Let's move a little back in history. There may be some reason for ignoring Tesla, as back in September, Musk wanted to meet Biden regarding EVs motors, but there was no response. Musk also tweeted against Biden's favor of UAW reforms, and Musk has a contentious past with unions. He stated in the tweet, "New UAW slogan, fighting for their right to steal money from workers." Musk once more criticized Biden when he was not invited to the White House event back in August. Musk said Biden's electric vehicle policy appeared to be controlled by labor unions. They didn't mention Tesla once and praised GM and Ford for leading the EV revolution. Does that sound maybe a little biased? Musk said during a panel discussion. Not the friendliest administration seems to be controlled by unions. A cold response was received from the administration when it was asked in August whether the White House did not invite Musk because workers at Tesla are not unionized. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said, "I'll let you draw your conclusion." Let's recall another event in the scenario. Emily Simons tweeted about Musk's name that benefited greatly from EV tax credits in the past, but unfortunately, their CEO has suggested an opposition to new EV tax credits. Musk replied to this tweet with just one word, sigh. Moving towards our efforts as Elon fans. Elon fan petition and Biden acceptance. The bitter feud between Elon and Biden ends after the fan petitions on ignoring Tesla's effort in climate change. More than 33,000 people signed the change.org and demanded to admire Tesla. This petition accused the president is ignoring Tesla. According to the petition, this is an insult to the Americans who work for Tesla. It calls on Biden to do the right thing and acknowledge Tesla for the hard work in making EVs a possibility for Americans. Musk also did take a step back and tweeted, "POTUS is unable to say the word Tesla." This all brings the light on the unjust behavior of the president, and they accepted in a recent tweet as it inquired about Biden's Tesla name dropping. Psaki said, "We all know that Tesla is a major producer of electric vehicles," and added the White House sees a huge opportunity for the United States from the industry overall. Let's move forward and celebrate the contribution of Tesla. Tesla achievements. Elon put efforts to build Tesla and clean up the environment after selling its share. He started the company, and in 2021, Tesla delivered over 936,000 cars globally. He then started working on the autopilot mode of EVs cars. In late 2014, Tesla started to move cars toward autopilot mode by installing radars. In mid-2015, Musk planned the second version of autopilot by meeting the Tesla engineers. At the end of the year, Musk said in an interview with the Fortune magazine that, "I think we have all the pieces, and it's just about refining those pieces, putting them in a place, and making sure they work across a huge number of environments, and then we're done." Elon believes that our cars will drive us in the future, and we will be at the peak of technology and in a safe climate. He also said probably in 10 years, more than half of new vehicle production is electric in the United States, and China's going to be ahead of that. Elon Musk also said that autonomous driving is coming and we will be one of the most significant transformers ever in human civilization. And finally, Elon discussed China and Tesla's relationship with the country and how China-US relations should tend to go forward. In contrast, President's favorite GM sold nearly 480,000 EVs last year, mainly in China. In the US, the president's favorite GM had to rework on its electric Chevrolet Bolt as there was a risk of battery fires. Due to this, the company was able to sell only 26 EVs, 25 Bolts, and one electric GMC Hummer pickup truck in the fourth quarter. Tesla and Elon's achievements are not undermining as SpaceX, and the electric car is the evidence of his hard work. Then such ignorance and unjust behaviors are unbearable. President is taking the fan following of Elon easy, and Musk followers considered it a silly act of Biden. All reality is in front of you. You can decide, well, who is the king of EV motors and whose name will be in the memory. What is your take on all this fight? Write your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more and what you want to see more, bestow your kind suggestion. Till then, keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks. Take care.